Alright, let's talk about something you use every single day, electricity, and the unsung hero behind it, the steam turbine. Picture this. You've got a pot of water, and you crank up the heat. When it boils, the steam wants to escape, right? Now imagine harnessing all that steamy energy, not just to cook pasta, but to spin massive metal blades and create electricity for entire cities. Here's how it works. First, water gets heated in a gigantic boiler, sometimes with coal, gas, nuclear reactors, or even solar mirrors. The water turns into super hot, high-pressure steam. This steam blasts its way into the turbine, where it smashes into blades attached to a spinning shaft. Think of it like a supercharged windmill, but with steam instead of wind. That spinning shaft is hooked up to a generator. As the shaft turns, magnets inside the generator whip past coils of wire, creating electricity. It's like magic, but it's actually pure science, Newton's third law and the Rankine cycle in action. Now, not all steam turbines are built the same. Some use impulse, where steam hits the blades in bursts, dropping pressure fast. Others use reaction, where the steam glides and expands smoothly through the blades. Both get the job done, just with different styles. Once the steam spent its energy, it cools off in a condenser, turning back into water. Pump it back to the boiler, and the whole cycle starts again. Steam turbines are everywhere. Power plants, massive ships, even some factories. So next time you flip on a light or charge your phone, just remember, a whole world of boiling water and spinning blades is working behind the scenes. That's the magic of the steam turbine, turning boiling water into pure, electrifying power.